watoto.
Farmers are poised to reap enhanced proceeds from a new avocado variety introduced by the Kisii County government. The Hass avocado seedlings were grown at the Agricultural Training Center, Kisii, and are ready for collection. Kisii County Governor Simba Arati, while launching the avocado distribution to various wards at Kisii ATC, disclosed 80 acres of land had been earmarked for planting of the seedlings.
In recent years, due to the growing consumer awareness of the potential health benefit of the fruit, hence the need for us to take advantage, given the conducive climate in the country. Indeed, here in Kisii, we have comparative advantage in production of avocado, banana, which are the key value chain in promoting food security, employment creation, and income generation. The area under avocado in Kisii, which is dominated by the local variety, which is referred to as jumbo, is currently estimated at 1,564 acres, with an average production of 16.5 metric tons per hectare, annually translating to 25,800 tons.